Contractors, listen up. The State Compensation Insurance Fund approved a $25 million safety grant for policyholders. Which policyholders? Policyholders with one or more employees working above 6 feet and using one of these 20 workers' comp class codes. That's right, 20 class codes. When they started this program, it only included 6 classifications, but now they've opened it up to 20. The lowest grant size is $2,500, and you can get up to $10,000. So, if you have at least one employee working over 6 feet in one of those class codes, you can qualify for at least $2,500. Your policy must be in good standing, and you must upload a copy of your IIPP. I can help you with all that, so don't worry about it. Now, you might be asking, why would the state fund hand out this kind of money? They truly want to help you avoid having employees fall from heights. See, the data shows that these class codes account for 23% of claims and 47% of the claims costs. Did you catch that? A quarter of the claims account for half the money spent on the claims. That means that falls from heights are expensive, and this grant will help you avoid these expensive claims. Did you also know that in March of 2024, the state fund restructured their workers' comp rates so that they could get lower rates to all of their deserving policyholders? Many of you jumped ship years back after a rate increase, but they found a way to get fair pricing to all of you. So if you're not with the state fund, let's get you their quote and get access to that grant. If you are with the state fund, I can help you get the safety grant. How does it work? 16 days after your renewal, State Fund will send you an email inviting you to apply for the grant. They have also started mailing the invitation to apply. You will need to make sure that State Fund has an accurate mailing and email address so you get the invitation. After that invitation has been sent, you'll have 90 days to apply. After you apply, they'll send you another email confirming the grant amount that you qualify for. Then a third email from their vendor Granger so you can shop on their website for the approved fall protection equipment. That link is specific to your grant, so you must use the link. You will shop, ship, and State Fund will pay. They've added another feature to this program where now you can order a little more than the grant amount or as much more as you want and enter your own payment information and cover the difference. There is no minimum purchase though. So if you want to make the order and the shipping costs at or under the grant amount, you won't have to spend a dime of your own money. When the grant is approved, you will have 60 days to order your fall protection equipment. So don't delay there either. So what are you waiting for? Call me. Let's talk specifically about your situation and how to apply for the grant. I look forward to speaking with you soon.